The Opera dei Pupi is the traditional Sicilian marionette theatre. Originated in the 19th century, it enjoyed great success among the people. It is one of the most relevant examples of Sicilian historical memory and cultural identity, and for this reason, in 2001, it was proclaimed a UNESCO masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. Sicilian Pupi puppets differ from other marionettes in the plays presented, in their mechanism, figurative style, staging, and in the type of acting. The plays were serialized and performed daily for many months in the poorest areas of towns. The company manager operates puppets and lends them his voice. Sometimes he's also able to make the Pupi paint the backcloths and the advertising posters. He is called operante, teatrinaro, or puparo. This latter being used also for the craftsmen specialized in the Pupi construction. The audience mainly included adult men and children and got deeply emotionally involved during the performances. They mirrored themselves in the positive heroes and got angry against the evils, whose puppet was sometimes destroyed. The subjects stem from the old French epic literature, namely the Song of Roland, and from the Arthurian romances. These ancient legends inspired some great Italian poems. I Reali di Francia in Guerin Meschino, written by Andrea da Barberino, Morgante by Luigi Pulci, Orlando Innamorato by Matteo Maria Boiardo, Orlando Furioso by Ludovico Ariosto, Gerusalemme Liberata by Torquato Tasso. All these stories were disseminated through cheap publications and by storytellers called Contisti in Palermo and Rinaldi in Campania. They were also collected in some Sicilian compilations published during the 19th and the first half of the 20th centuries. Among these compilations, there was Giusto Lodico's History of French Paladins. That was to become the Pupari's main source of inspiration. The Opera dei Pupi traditional repertoire also includes religious stories, historical events, tales of bandits, and Shakespearean dramas such as Romeo and Juliet and Macbeth. Often, at the end of the performance, short farces are performed in Sicilian dialect, starring comic characters that represent the people, such as Nofrio and Verticchio in Palermo, Peppennino in Catania, Testuzza in Naples.